Students, this is 207th maths class. Let us continue solving standard integrals. So let us continue solving standard integrals. So first one is find integration of dx by a square minus x square into dx, a square minus x square, hence evaluate, and hence evaluate, so integration of right. So dx by dx by right. So 4x 5 plus 4x minus x square. Already I explained, already we solved this standard integral in that last class, students. Let us repeat the same thing. I am going to repeat the same thing, right? So go for that. So solution, you take that students. So dx by a square minus x square, dx by a square minus x square. Clearly the denominator is a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square, students? A plus b into a minus b. So it's nothing but so dx by a plus x into a minus x, a plus x into a minus x. Now you think of setting. You do that settings in the numerator. So how I set, how I adjust. Look at this, students. In the numerator you write so a plus x, a minus x by a plus x into a minus x. Now you think, now you decide what sign is to be written between these two. I should write plus. So why I am choosing plus means xx should get cancelled. So remaining will be, what remains is a plus a 2a. I am getting extra 2a. That can be easily balanced. How I balance that? 1 by 2a. So you always think of cancelling x. X should go off. If constant remains, that could be balanced like this. That could be balanced like this easily. If variable remains, balancing is not possible. If x remains, x ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಾವು split it and integrate it. So it is 1 by 2a integration of a plus x by a plus x into a minus x. Splitting. On splitting, a plus x get cancels. A plus x get cancels. Remaining is so 1 by a minus x plus a minus x by a plus x into a minus x. A minus x get cancels. Remaining is 1 by a plus x into dx. Now it is the time to integrate. You think of integrating. Clearly this is 1 by x form. This is 1 by x. Integration of 1 by x is log x. Integration of 1 by x is log x. You write that. So 1 by 2a, integration of 1 by a minus x is log. So log a minus x by minus 1. Which is that minus 1, students? It is x coefficient. Dividing x coefficient is must. So you go for dividing x coefficient. Plus. So log. So integration of 1 by x. Log x. Log a plus x. So log a plus x plus c. Plus c. So plus into minus. So 1 by 2a. So minus log a minus x plus log a plus x plus c. So log m minus log n. Log m minus log n. What is log m minus log n, students? Log m by n. Log m by n. So at 1 by 2a. So log m by n. Tell me m, students. A plus x by minus n, a minus x plus c. A plus x by a minus x plus c. I hope you understood. Now let us think of solving nth evaluate. Usually nth evaluate carries 2 marks. You are going to get 2 marks from that nth evaluate problem. Nth evaluate means using this formula. Using this formula, you solve that given integral. You solve that. So let us see that. Let us go for that. So right. You take that, students. So integration of so dx by 5 plus 4x minus x square. 5 plus 4x minus x square. All you have to do is, all you people have to do is bringing this into standard form. Standard form means a square minus x square. You should bring this quadratic equation into this form. Let us think of that. You take out that quadratic equation, students. You take out this quadratic equation. Consider minus x square plus 4x plus 5. You use completing square method. Using the method of completing square, this could be brought into that standard form. That is 1 by a square minus x square. This is standard form, right? While completing the square of quadratic equation, you maintain x coefficient as plus 1, right? To complete square of a quadratic equation, to complete square of any quadratic equation, so maintain x square coefficient as plus 1. So right, maintain or x square coefficient as plus 1. X square coefficient as plus 1. So right, students, you remember this point. To complete the square of any quadratic equation, maintain x square coefficient as plus 1. X square coefficient should be plus 1. Otherwise, it is not possible to complete its square. Let us look at this, students. Here, in this x square coefficient is minus, we have x square coefficient as minus, it should be plus 1. Remove that minus plus. First, remove that x square coefficient minus first. So minus of x square, minus of x square. So plus becomes minus 4x, plus 5 becomes minus 5. Plus 5. You take this as a square minus 2ab. A square minus 2ab. Still b square required. We have a formula for that. B. Tell me b is equal to half into x coefficient. B is equal to half into x coefficient. So b is equal to half into. So tell me x coefficient 4. You either take minus 4 or plus 4. On squaring, b square becomes positive. So you need not to crush your brains whether to choose minus 4 or plus 4. Whatever it is, you always choose plus 4. ಏನಾದರೂ ಇರಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ minus 4 ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗಲೂ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಚೂಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದ್ರು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಚೂಸನ್ ಆಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ರೈಟ್? 2 2s are. So 2 2s are. So 2. Tell me b square, students. B square, 2 square it is 4. 2 square it is 4. Now come to this minus of x square minus 4x, a square minus 2ab plus b square. How much is plus b square? Plus 4. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Plus b square plus 4. Add and subtract. Minus 4 plus 4 minus 4. X square minus 4x. You add, go for add b square, subtract b square. Still we have minus 5 in that given equation. Still we have minus 5 in that given equation. Write that. So minus 5. Minus of a square minus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square. X minus 2 whole square. Minus 9. Multiply by minus. Minus into minus plus. Minus into minus plus. 9. Minus into plus. Minus. X minus 2 whole square. 9. 3 square minus x minus 2 whole square. We got that standard form. Substitute in that given equation. You substitute this in that given equation, right? So therefore, so integration of dx by 5 plus 4x minus x square is equal to integration of, so dx by, you replace this by that one, 3 square minus x minus 2 whole square. Now it is in standard form. What? Dx by 1 by a square minus x square. Tell me formula related to that, students. 1 by 2a log a plus x by a minus x. You use that formula. So right, use that formula. It is 1 by 2a. 2 into a is 3. Log a plus x. How much is a? 3 plus, in the place of x I should write x minus 2. A plus x by a minus x. 3 minus x minus 2 plus c. So dx by a square minus x square 1 by 2a log a plus x by a minus x. Simplify that. 1 by 6 log, so 3 minus 2 1 plus x by minus 2 minus plus 3 plus 2 5 minus x plus c. minus into minus plus 3 plus 2 5 minus x plus c. So this is this carries 2 marks. For this step 1 mark, for this answer 1 more mark. No marks for these works. They won't award any marks for this work. I hope you understood. This method is called as completing the square. Learn that method. Learn that method. It is useful. I use this method to solve all nth valued problems. Let us go for one more question. Next standard integral is find. So next one is find. So dx by so x square plus a square nth evaluate so write secant square x by 16 plus tan square x into dx, right? So look at this, students. Look at this. Look at this, students. So you remember these tips. If it is a square plus x square, you always use this put x is equal to a tan theta. Why should this put only to be used for this means? So a square, put x is equal to a tan theta. Look at this, students. A square plus what is x? A tan theta. A square tan square theta. What is common? A square 1 plus tan square theta. So that is a square. What is 1 plus tan square theta? Secant square theta. For this put, this term, this quantity gets simplified. ಈ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಪುಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಪುಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಪುಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅದು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ a square plus x square, ಯು ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ x is equal to a tan theta ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಬೇರೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೊ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ a square minus x square, ಯು ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪುಟ್ x is equal to a sin theta. ಸೇಮ್ ರೀಸನ್, ಇದೇ ರೀಸನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪುಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪುಟ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೊ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ x square minus a square, for this you put x is equal to a secant theta. So a tan, usually in most of the cases to solve most of the problems in integration, we always use these three puts only. A tan theta, because why it becomes, this reduces into this shape, that is 1 plus tan square theta. What is 1 plus tan square theta? Secant square theta. ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ 1 minus sin square theta ಬರುತ್ತೆ. What is 1 minus sin square theta? cos square theta. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಪುಟ್ಟೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಪುಟ್ಟಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಬೇರೆದಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಯು ಯೂಸ್ x is equal to a secant theta. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ secant square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. Secant square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. 1 plus tan square, send minus 1 right side. Again it is 1 plus tan square secant square ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So now let us solve. ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಈಗ ಮಾಡಿ. So write solution. You take this integral now. So dx by x square plus a square. Use putta method. Tell me the put to be used for this. Put x is equal to a tan theta. So put x is equal to a tan theta. Differentiate that. You differentiate that put. So dx is equal to a differentiation of tan theta is secant square theta. Differentiation of tan theta is secant square theta. A constant. Keep that constant as it is. Differentiation of tan is secant square theta. Again theta is d theta. D theta. Substitute both in that. You substitute both these two in that. So right. So tell me students. So what is dx? A secant square theta. So d theta by x square. X is a tan theta. X square is a square tan square theta plus a square plus a square. Tell me common from the denominator. What is common? A square. So remove that a square common. So a secant square theta d theta. So a square common. A square. So tan square theta plus 1 into d theta. Constants can be put outside. Functions should not be put outside of the symbol. Constant ಅನ್ನು ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಇಂದ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. Functions ಅನ್ನ ಬರಿಬಾರದು. a get cancels. So 1 by a secant square theta d theta. So what is this 1 plus tan square theta secant square theta? ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಆ ಪುಟ್ಟನ್ನೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. 1 plus tan square theta a plus b is same as b plus a. What is 1 plus tan square theta students? Secant square theta. Secant square theta. These two get cancels. So 1 by a 1 into d theta. 1 into d theta. So integrate 1 with respect to theta. Integration of 1 with respect to x is 1 ಅನ್ನು with respect to x ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? x ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Integration of 1 with respect to theta is theta. With respect to x ಮಾಡುವಾಗ 1 ಅನ್ನು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x ಬರಿತೀವಿ. With respect to theta ಮಾಡುವಾಗ 1 ಅನ್ನು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ theta ಬರೀಬೇಕು. You write that theta plus c. So 1 by a into integration of 1 is theta plus c. Substitute back for theta. Theta वापस आके. So right. Substitute back for theta. So right. Theta plus c. So tell me students. So x is equal to a tan theta. So theta. To find theta, first I should find out tan theta. Theta ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲು ನಾನು tan theta ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ? x by a equals tan theta. So that implies theta is equal to tan inverse x by a. Theta is equal to tan inverse x by a. Substitute in that. Therefore integration of so dx by x square plus a square is equal to 1 by a. So tan inverse x by a plus c. 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. By this formula. This formula is useful students. So right, we solve more problems using this formula. By-hearting formula required. So right, now let's go for nth value, solving the nth value problem. Now let us think of solving that nth value problem. So right, nth value. So first one nth value is integration of secant square x by 16 plus tan square x into dx. Put a method. Tell me put which one is to be taken as put tan x. Put tan x equals t. Put tan x equals t. Differentiate this students. You differentiate this. Differentiation of tan is secant square x into dx is equal to dt. Substitute that in that. So what is secant square x dx dt by 16 4 square tan x t square. We got standard form. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ತರ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. dx by a square plus x square. a plus b is same as b plus a. 1 a square plus b square is same as b square plus a square. Formula is ನೋಡಿ 1 by dx by a square plus x square. For a I should write 4. For x I should write t. a ಗೆ 4 ಹಾಕಿ x ಗೆ t ಹಾಕಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ರೆಡಿ ಇದೆ. 1 by a ಹೇಳಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು 1 by 4. a is ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರೆಡಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ tan ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ x ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ x ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ t by a means 4 plus c. Substitute back for t. You go for substituting back t for t. So 1 by 4. So tan inverse. So tell me t value. So t is tan x. T is tan x by 4 plus c. So 1 by 4 tan inverse tan x by 4 plus c. I hope you understood, students. Let us stop this class. We shall continue some more solving some more problems in the next class, right?